This is the British pound and Canadian dollar chart for H1 time frame, H4 time frame. From this H4 time frame, and this is the 200 EMA, act as a dynamic support at this moment and indicated uptrend market. This is the uptrend market. From this uptrend market, our expectation to find only buy. So it is our short-term trend line. It is our It is our short-term channel, downward channel. It is a flag pattern. So from this flag pattern, we can think buy from here. On the other hand, this is the support area. This support is near the 200 EMA, and horizontal support make a good confluence for making buy. This is the Fibonacci. This is the Fibonacci retracement level. This level is 23.8%. This level. So it also a retracement level from H4 and Fibonacci retracement level. From this Fibonacci retracement level, our expectation to go here. Our next target to go market here, and it is our, at this moment we can buy from here.